Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdurrahman Al-Harbi and I am from the Orange team. Today we will present Lab 10, which talk about frequency response analysis using bot plot. These are the team member. Now let's move to the introduction. In this lab, we will use the plot, which is a graphical representation of the frequency response of a system transfer function. It comprises two graphs, one showing the magnitude of the sinusoidal transfer function plotted against the logarithm of frequency log omega, and the other displaying the phase angle of the sinusoidal transfer function, also plotted against the logarithm of frequency log omega. The plot offers several advantages. Firstly, it allows for the conversion of multiplication of magnitude into addition, simplifying analysis. Additionally, it provides a straightforward method for sketching an approximate logarithmic magnitude curve. Now moving to the objective with my colleague Badr Al-Awafi.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The objective of this lab is to analyze the stable of the given linear system using a body plot. So we will use the MATLAB and Simulink to display our results. First of all, as you can see, this is the transfer function, which is 1 over s multiplied by s squared plus 2s plus 3. Here's the code that we use in the MATLAB. And here is, as you can see, the magnitude and the phase plots shows in different frequency. Here is some results like the magnitude, phase, and the frequency. Now we will move to the Simulink with Saleh.
For using the Simulink for the same transfer function, we can see the block diagrams that we generate using the Simulink. After we generate this diagram, we proceed with the results that give us. Please enter. For the result, this is the Bode diagram that generates for the magnitude and the phase. Phase is the frequency. And as shown below, we can see that this result has a unique point that give us the linear time at 0, and the gain margin and the frequency, and for checking the closed loop stability for the both. Proceeding with the advantage and disadvantage with my colleagues.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the advantages of the board, the first one is visual representation. As we saw, it has a very good visual representation, so you can understand the data better. And the frequency analysis, and this is a unique feature for board plot. Also the transfer function inside and the phase magnitude information. After that, we have finally the last advantage is simplified analysis board plot, which means that the analysis become very simple in contrast to other techniques. And now the disadvantages, my friend Ali.
Thank you, Jafar. Here some body plot disadvantages. First, linear system simulation and limited to linear time inference LTI system, and frequency domain only. Jafar mentioned before for the advantage is frequency analysis, but we can use only frequency domain. And initial system knowledge required, and finally doesn't consider transient response. Let's move to stability of the system with my teammate Ziad.
Assalamu alaikum. We have two types of stability of system with the body plot. First one is the gain margin, and the second one is the phase margin. Finally, in conclusion, we have acquired the skills of the assessing the stability of a provided linear system utilizing the body plot. This is the end of our lab. Thank you for listening.